So, das war's. 100 Dollar haben wir gekriegt. Okay, und der ist aus dem Auto gefallen. Aha, gut. So, dampfen wir ab. So, und zwar fahren wir zu Ryder. Da die jetzt einfach mal sagen. Oder fahren wir zu Big Smoke, der war doch gleich im Dicken. Fahren wir mal daher. So, sind die Leute?
Hey, who is this?
What's up, homie? It's Cesar Villalpando, cabrón. ¿Qué onda?
You seen Kendall?
Yeah, she's around, pero mira, I was just hitting you up to say that you drive good. And you like cars, eh? So,
Yeah, I guess. We'll be going with this.
well, you want to make something, a little money?
Does the Pope shit in the woods?
I don't know, but if you do want a little extra, there's plenty of money to be made racing.
You talking illegal street racing? Hell yeah.
No hoopties, homes, just low riders. Nice ones. It gotta be nice so you don't get in, eh?
Okay, I'm in. When and where?
Drop by the spot in El Corona. I'll take you to the meet, vouch for you. These guys can be very nervous with the new racers, eh?
Okay, für Rennen haben wir jetzt keine Zeit.
Asshole.
Yo, Carl, see you around.
Fuck they doing over here anyway? Punk ass police.
Those nosy motherfuckers won't leave me alone. Think I'm Mr. Big or something. But I don't tell them shit. For me, it's all about my homeboy Carl.
Yeah, whatever you say.
The gang is real important, CJ, you know that. You down to represent, baby?
Yeah.
Look, my cousin is coming in town from Mexico. I got to go scoop her up.
Alright then, come on.
So, wer kommt? Der Cousin oder vom Big Smoke? Naja, egal, holen wir ihn halt mal ab. Wenn er meint. So.
What you want me to roll with you for anyway?
No reason. I just wanted to get in the carpool lane.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man, just cool out, homie. Just chill.
Your cousin coming here from Mexico.
Yeah, me and her go way back. Way back.
Ah, Smoke, you full of shit.
Don't be prejudiced again in my presence, Carl. Everybody is my cousin.
So, keine Sorge. Carl Johnson mochte ich schon. Irgendwie. So, schauen wir mal, was das für ein Typ ist aus Mexiko. Halt. Der Oma ist es. Aha, da stehen die Ballers rum. So, jetzt nimmer.
Okay, my cousin Mary's in there. Sweet, sticky, bud fresh off the plantation. Here, pull up here, let me do the talking.
Man, I should've known.
Hey, excuse me, Jose. Yo soy el grando smokio, and I want that grass, comprende?
Hey, fuck you, cabron.
What?
Now that ain't nice. Coffee-o up El Guido before I blow your brains out all over the patio.
Chinga tu madre, pendejo.
Man, let me get to here.
Fuck this, man.
Fuck this. Get him, Smoke.
Yeah, go get that shit now. Get him, what you talking about? Yeah, motherfucker, Big Smoke. Remember that name.
So, der eine
You
hat
gotta
ab.
stick with him.
Das heißt, es gibt eine Verfolgungsjagd.
Man, I'm done.
So, und zwar zu Fuß. Okay, dann flitzt man mal noch hin. Ja, leck. Allerdings entkommt uns so bestimmt, wenn die uns überall beschissen. Geh weg. Und unsere Puste ist uns auch schon ausgegangen. Jetzt können wir nicht mehr so schnell. Oh, sind die auch schon wieder da? So, Alter. Das war's mit der Flucht.
It's only a little gun.
So, jetzt brauchen wir allerdings schleunigst Auto. Gut, das war's mit der Mission von Big Smoke. So, jetzt fahren wir zum Rider, wo wir eigentlich vorher schon hier wollten. Entschuldigung. Oh. Was war denn das? So, da sind wir wieder. Jetzt parken wir das Auto erstmal da drin, weil wir da keins mehr haben. So, gut. Und dann gehen wir mal da um.
Hey, Ryder, what the hell you doing?
Nigga, I couldn't find that wet I buried, so I'm making my own.
Strong.
It's easy, fool.
Man, don't do that. You'll saute the both of us.
Morning, boys.
Man, who you calling boy, fool?
Well, what should I call you, midget?
How about prick?
Prick.
Yeah, prick works.
Man, fuck you.
Bitch, get out of here. Smells good. What's cooking? Where's mine?
Man, just chill out, alright? Move. Yeah, sweat me.
My wife loves this stuff, man. Anyway, there's a train gonna make an unscheduled stop just down the way. It's got a, how you say, little something on board for you boys. Square business, man.
Catch you later, homeboys.
Asshole.
Oh, Carl, try not to kill any more respected police officers. Please.
Crime has certainly gone up since you got back, kid.
Just doing my part for the community.
Your train's gonna be there in 5.
You drive,
Was zum
CJ.
Munitionstruck zu.
Not your shit, man. Don't give me
Okay.
a hard time about my driving. I ain't got the energy for it, man.
Well, don't go roll the damn car over and blow us all up in flames then.
Nah, I ain't rising to your shit, man.
Good. Means you concentrate on the road then.
You love to give a homie a hard time.
It's trying to keep my soldiers alive, nigga.
By nagging them to death?
Watch the road, motherfucker. The road. Yeah, here we go.
That's our
Hey, das
train,
sind schon
all
wieder
right.
da.
Look like some Northside Vagos got it first.
Ja, voll um. Jetzt hat. Schütze den Zug von den Ballers.
Oh, what's this?
Kennen wir den noch?
Ballers trying to crash the party?
Can't control every gang in South Central.
Man, we gonna smoke those baller assholes. Go check out the train, CJ.
Damn, what is that?
Chill out, fool. We gonna be right behind you. Throw me some boxes, CJ.
Okay, jetzt haben wir auf dem Zug. Ach so, wir müssen im Kisten zu werfen.
I got it.
Gut, so schwer dürfte das gar nicht sein.
Nice throw, fool. Bullseye.
Entschuldigung, daneben geworfen. 3 noch.
Trying to kill me. And another one. Okay,
So,
CJ,
it's over.
that's all I can carry. Hop in the car and stab out, fool.
So, wie dürfen wir wieder fahren? Wie immer. Ach, wir haben die Polizei im Haus.
I'm getting tired of this. Fuck off.
Und wir dürfen mal in die Lackiererei müssen wir.
I'm getting tired of this. Fuck off. Head back to Grove
Okay,
Street,
das haben wir
fool.
geschafft. So, also ab. In Sicherheit, bevor wieder irgendwas passiert. So, Waffen haben wir. Jetzt geht's zurück in die Grove Street. Und zwar da 4.